Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween decor available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4, Ulk's Harley, a Halloween decoration. Features mini poodle puppy molding bones. This mini-size animal skeleton also suitable for home, office, cafe, shop window, school decoration. This Halloween skeleton dog is crafted from durable all-weather plastic. At Noom 3 we have Haunted Hill Farm creepy decoration. Soul Sucker, the foulest of all the reapers on earth, feeds on the souls of innocent children, capturing his young victim with unholy strength. This moving animated skeleton reaper lights up to delight and frighten trick-or-treaters. At number 2 we have Tim Burton's Nightmare. Spectacular design, black, white, and silver foil with Jack Skellington's face. For any occasion, perfect for Halloween, Christmas parties, or themed events. Hang them by the attached strings for a touch of holiday cheer and fear. At number 1 we have Design Toscano Halloween decoration. This flesh-hungry undead zombie garden ghoul claws his way out of your Halloween night cemetery grave lawn or can be decorative year-round in a vintage Gothic-themed haunted house bathroom, bedroom or kitchen table.